How do stem cells work? As you probably have seen, stem cells are one of the hottest trends in medicine, but we wanted to look a little bit deeper and talk about how these stem cells actually work in your body to either provide relief or health and healing. The important thing to keep in mind is what stem cells do is help your body grow things. Stem cells are undifferentiated, but they do not become cartilage. What they do is help your body stimulate the factors needed to grow new cartilage. One way to think about that is this. If you cut your hand, some stem cells actually go to the area. That's what stimulates the healing factors for your body to grow new skin that eventually becomes a scar. The same things can happen when stem cells are injected into the joints of your body. If stem cells are injected in your knee, what they do is stimulate the growth factors of cartilage in your knee. Now that takes some time. Stem cells are not a miracle cure, but over 6 to 8 months, new cartilage hopefully starts to grow back in your knee. Just similar to that cut on your hand, it does not heal instantaneously, but every process does take time. So as you start to investigate stem cells for maybe your health or healing, keep in mind that stem cells in the proper context can do a fantastic job assisting your body in growing new tissue, but they are not a cure-all for every malady that you may suffer from. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.